Gynecomastia is a very common condition. We see a few people every week for this problem. It's just a little bit less mainstream than the patients like to discuss with other people, but the satisfaction rate is very, very high and patients are super happy with the results. And there's nothing to be shy about to consult for this. So gynecomastia is when there is glandular tissue that flourishes in the male chest, and of course in a male it's non-functional since males don't bear children or breastfeed, so this just becomes fibrous, which just means it becomes a harder mass. Common complaints that people come in with is puffiness around the nipple or areola region. The chest, instead of having a chiseled V shape, is kind of like an upside down V. There's a little bit of fat that goes around that gland also. People usually come in having tried dieting, having tried doing more chest, less chest at the gym. Unfortunately, because it's a glandular problem and a little bit of fat, diet and exercise is not going to get rid of that gland. The only true treatment is surgical excision, where we remove that gland. I also like to combine this with a little bit of liposuction to really chisel that chest, to give that chest the muscular, masculine look that the patients want when they come in. And scar is just underneath the areola, a semicircle, which heals very well and hides very well. And the liposuction is done through a tiny 2mm incision up at the lateral edge of the pec muscle. Recovery is fairly straightforward after surgery. We do ask you to wear a compression vest for about 4 to 6 weeks, pretty much 24/7. Hides very well underneath clothing. We do ask you to refrain from any heavy lifting or of course the gym for a good 4 to 6 weeks afterwards as well during the healing process. As I mentioned, the satisfaction rate for gynecomastia is through the roof. Patients come in 6 weeks after being able to wear, that white t-shirt or, different clothing that they always hesitated to wear before surgery. So I hope this video was helpful and answered some questions that you may have had. If you want any other information, please feel free to visit our website. We have a lot of information there about gynecomastia surgery. And if you have any other further questions, feel free to call us anytime and book an appointment.